Hi guys, today's video what we'll do is replace the high pressure switch for the AC system that is located just right below that plate. The AC for the one that have the issues, it's still working, it's been recharged. However, once it reaches like 85-90 degrees Fahrenheit outside, it will shut off. So it's periodically working, but specifically at a high temperature, which generally comes from the high pressure switch. One thing that you can do, is check the fins of your condenser and make sure it is clean. But this is a fairly new car in good shape, 2015, so it is. Air filter as well needs to be checked. So anyway, let's replace that sensor, for which you need a deep socket of 24mm. You need to remove that plate. I already removed a few of the pins, but I wanted to show how to remove those. Very easy. However, when you press that, don't go too deep. Here we go. And then just lift it. I use a 2 screwdriver. I got one-handed right now with a video, but here we go. If you press too deep, it's very easy to press too deep and that pin will fall into the engine compartment, and then good luck to find it. Okay, we'll remove the next one and we'll replace the sensor. Okay, last one has been removed. Then just lift it and it should unsnap. Do that very gently. Put that aside. And here is the baby. That sensor right here. So you just need to remove that connection, untie it, check the torque on that. I will not give the torque, check the specification, put it back correctly, and then put everything back together. As simple as that. Okay, just to confirm what we said, 24mm. However, this is a short one. This will cover the top part of the sensor, will not reach the proper length. I need a deep one for the one that don't have any. What you can do is you have enough room here where you could potentially unscrew that. However, when putting it back, you have to be very careful with the torque. Okay, let's start it now and see how it is working. Let's stop the radio. Let's put on max. And it is about mid-90s outside. So the temperature at which it will not work at all. Oh yeah, I can already feel some very comfortable cold air. Okay, for the last time, hope it helps you guys. Let's go. See you next time.